HGLaser LSF Laser Marking System Operation Guidance. So our system, this one is a 20-watt fiber laser system. It is air cooling. You can find here is the gavel head. The laser will come out from here and do the marking at this area. The software interface will be shown in this screen. Here is the power off and power on switch, and also the emergency button. Since the laser marking system, all the time you should use the marking on the focus area. So here, the height you should adjust. The adjust method is just you use this to get it unlocked, and the height can be adjusted by this wheel manually. If there was any service issue, please contact our local agent or us by our website. You can see all of our system, there would be one nameplate. And just mention to us the series number and call us or our local person. Now I will introduce you how to use our system. When you want to turn on the system, ensure this emergency button is in release condition. Otherwise, the system would be locked up. You could not turn on. And then here is a power switch. Once you want to turn on the system, first you should get the main power switch on. Second, you should get the key switch on, and the light will show green. Below the system, there was our control PC. Just turn on this button, and you can see in normal working condition, here should be in green light. Once you turn on the PC, you can see from the PC screen, here is our software interface. And enter into the enter. Once you enter into the software, here is our software operation interface. You can see you can draw simple graphic from here. If you want to mark barcode, you should use this caricature. If you want to put any text, you can use this one. And from the right side, you can saw all the parameters will be shown here. Normally, we will just use the three parameters. One is the speed, one is the power, and one is the frequency. At the bottom of the software, there were two buttons. One is the red indicator, which can show the scan area. And the mark button is just to turn on the laser beam to generate marking process. Now, we will show you how to adjust the Z focus. First, 不对吧？你把这个先去掉，然后再点一个这个，然后出来。等一下啊。First, drop one text on the interface. Okay. And then use the red indicator. You can get exactly area from the marking place. Then you should choose to continue to select the marking. You can see the marking is not clear. Once you adjust the z-axis, the marking would be different. Okay, just find the most powerful area, like this one, then stop. Because at just that position, we can get the most clear marking. So this is the right position. And then you can get z-axis data recorded in your notebook. So next time to marking this kind of things, you can use the same height. Different material would have different height. So every time if the height of the item is different, you should adjust z-axis manually and then take a record. Now we will tell you how to set the marking parameter. Now we will tell you how to do a text marking. First, select the text and drop it to the area. Then the default text would be the text one. Here, there was one, text input interface. You just typing on what you want and click apply. Here would be changed into the right exactly text. If you want to fill in the text, you should use the fill in method. In this interface, you can use different parameters to do different kind of filling. Let's make the filling distance into 0.5. 0.5吧. And then you can see it's already filled. Then, now we will show you different parameters marking different appearance. Normally, for marking, we will use speed, power, and frequency. Right now, we keep the power and the frequency the same and set different speed. The marking speed is 1000 mm per second. You can see the time cost is only something around 0.1 second, less than 0.1 second. Right now we set the speed into 500 mm per second. 500. Now the marking is 500 mm per second. See, in this 500 millimeters per second marking speed, the time cost would be 1.1 second. You can see the different marking appearance. With more marking speed, the marking accuracy, resolution would be more nicer. With small, marking speed, and you can get more clear marking. Right now, we keep the speed the same, and we change the power. In this condition, the power is 20%. Let's see what we can get. The marking is in 20% laser output energy. It's clear, but seems a bit light. Let's set the power 90%. See, here we already changed the power output 90%. Here we click Start Marking. You can see the 90% of the output power. It can get more clear marking than the 20%. Right now, we keep the speed and the power the same, but we change the frequency. Right now, we change the frequency, set it as 80 kHz. Let's see what will happen. Okay. You can see in 80 kHz, the marking is a bit in light color, but seems in good resolution. The frequency into 20 kHz. And here we mark. You can see the color would be more, but the resolution would be worse than the high frequency one. So for different material marking, you should change to different speed, power, and frequency. You should test the material and then find the suitable one. But just notice the z-axis you should find in the right way. Okay, there was one more question. Normally, sometimes we should marking different appearance by different parameter. How to achieve? We can use this different layer color. Different color, that means you can use different layer. In each layer, you can use, to lock different parameters. See, there were two layers. In the black layers, the parameter setting is like this. But for the blue layers, the parameter setting is also different. So the marking appearance would be different. We will show you. You can see by different parameter layer, the marking quality would be different. During the laser marking, not only we should mark the single line, but sometimes you should marking with the filling. So how to set the different filling? You can use this button. Like here, this button, there was 4 different filling methods, and this one is the most faster one. If you want to get the best marking quality, then you can select this one. Normally, you can see the different filling space is setting by this parameter. Now, I will tell you how to marking the barcode or data matrices. Click this button and drop one into the interface window. Here, you can input exactly which message you want. For example, HGLaser. Click apply. So here you can choose different barcode type. Let's make it data matrix. Apply.二维码，选一个二维码。Now we get the data matrices. So normally this data matrices would be used with the filling. Select your suitable distance and the filling method. And you will get the HGLaser barcode. Let's see what will happen. Okay, here we get the barcode. Okay, right now the brief marking guidance is already given. So normally, for the laser marking system, you should get this clean. You can see below there was one lens. During the marking, the dust will vaporize onto the lens. So you should get it cleaned. Maybe 1 week. You should use ochre to clean the surface. And also, inside of the gavel head, there were 2 micro motors inside. Don't get it punched or get it serious shake. Otherwise, you will get this gavel head damaged. And also you can see the laser is coming out from this cover head but transmitted by this fiber cable. So it's very easy broken, it's breakable. So don't punch it, don't do that. And keep it with some certain distance. Inside of the cavity, you can see the laser source. So don't get the yellow cable broken, and make sure the laser source is in clean condition. For more information, you can find from our operation manual. The issue still could not get solved. Just mention us the serious number, call to our after-sales service department, or contact our local agent. Thank you for your patience. To read and watch HGLaser LSF Fiber Laser Marking System Operation Guidance video. Wish you a nice day.